Hey pool owners,
Is your backyard oasis starting to feel the winter chill? Don't let freezing temps turn your pool into an ice rink disaster. Stick around to learn how to winterize it like a pro. Welcome back to USA Pool Shop. Today we're diving into how to close your pool for winter. Whether it's an above-ground or in-ground pool, proper winter closing can save you time, money, and a lot of hassle when spring arrives. First, gather your supplies: winterizing chemicals, a pool cover, air pillow for above-ground pools, and plugs or gizmos for in-ground lines. Start by testing and balancing your water chemistry, pH between 7.2 to 7.6, alkalinity 80 to 120 ppm, and add a shock treatment to kill bacteria. Next, clean thoroughly. Skim debris, brush walls, and vacuum the floor. Lower the water level. For in-ground pools, drop it 12-18 inches below the skimmer. For above ground, 4 to 6 inches below. For in-ground pools, blow out the plumbing lines with an air compressor to prevent freezing cracks. Then plug returns and add antifreeze if needed. Above ground, disconnect and drain equipment like the filter and pump, storing them indoors. Finally, add winter algaecide and shock. Install your safety cover tightly. Use an air pillow under above-ground covers to prevent ice expansion. Secure everything against wind. This process takes a few hours, but protects your investment. Ready to gear up? Shop now at www.usapoolshop.com for all your winterizing kits and covers. Fast shipping nationwide. Follow us on social media for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe and turn on the notifications for seasonal pool hacks. See you next time. Stay splash-free this winter.